Welcome to LA Gym Equipment. If you want to turn a room into a fitness center or just put a piece of equipment into your bedroom or den, we'll show you how to create a spectacular fitness center in your very own home.
LA Gym Equipment is proud to offer the very best to our customers. If you've never experienced the convenience of a home fitness center, we promise you will be blown away by today's choices in home fitness equipment. With many choices of treadmills on display and numerous other pieces of fitness equipment, LA Gym Equipment can satisfy your every need. No wonder we're Southern California's most respected and well-known retailers of home fitness products.
The following is a paid program for the Beverly Hills Skincare System. Introducing the Beverly Hills Skincare System, the true secret of the most beautiful skin in the world. Here to introduce the Beverly Hills Skincare System is Michelle Burke, former Mrs. USA, star of soaps and Broadway, and now a busy Hollywood producer. And Tiffany, popular singing star and international performer, whose #1 single, I Think We're Alone Now, is one of the biggest selling songs of all times.
When I started in show business, I thought the only thing I had to be concerned about was my singing. I quickly learned that I had to pay attention to how I look and my image.
For a limited time, we are going to drop one payment. You will pay only 3 payments of $29.95 for the entire system. And when you order now, we will also include our facial cleanser and eye makeup remover, a $25 value, yours absolutely free. Call now.
By using the Beverly Hills Skincare System, if your skin doesn't look healthy and radiant within 30 days, you can return it for a full refund of the price of the system.
No matter your age, man or woman, Larry Scott's Bring Your Body to Life system is the answer. The simplest, quickest, and clinically proven system to get you on the road to that teenage body, the shape you've longed to have again for so many years. Firmer abs, better definition, a flat, hard stomach, stronger chest, and shapely legs in just 21 days. Larry Scott will teach you his strength training secret that he has learned over the past 45 years and the groundbreaking 3-minute aerobic exercise that is such a radical concept it has turned the long-standing medical community of aerobic exercise upside down.
Finally, the glow is back and it's better than ever. Put the fun back in your sex life. Intimate Glow is the gentle, all-natural daily supplement and energy booster women need to put the desire and passion back in their lives. It's quick-acting and can produce powerful results. It's easy, discreet, and confidential. Get your glow back and make it brighter than ever. To find out how you can get a free 30-day supply of doctor-recommended Intimate Glow, call now or visit intimateglow.com.